What's up, guys? Well, the CDI finally shorted out for good, and can't find a new one with this round plug anymore anywhere. No aftermarket. Somebody already tried to put a pigtail in there and that wasn't the problem. So now I got this bad boy. I cut the plug off, wired it in. I believe I have a good schematic from somebody on the forums that did it, and I will include that information in this video and also in the description. And while I'm at it, I got a new switch for the kill switch, choke lever, start, lights, all that, just because mine was really sun faded and all the lettering was missing on it. So just one more new component to freshen up the electrical system and hopefully no more issues. So let's get this bad boy installed. Okay, so I got the bike running, and when I had all 6 wires connected, the neutral light was staying on in every gear. Now, it works. Let me show you what I did. And I'm not sure why. I have gone through everything that I know. It's not my first rodeo, and this one did confuse me a good bit. But apparently this CDI is wired differently than the OEM. What a shock. The light green and red wire right here, that is your neutral safety switch wire to apparently tell the CDI you're neutral, okay? Well, when I had, and these are 2 grounds, one's a trigger ground and one's a constant ground. Well, when I had both grounds hooked up, no matter which way I swapped them, the neutral light stayed on. It just didn't matter, okay? So now that I have, and to be honest, either one of these can go to ground on your harness over here, your green wire on your harness. I don't know how it's possible, but I believe this ground is backfeeding the neutral switch. I'm not sure. This bike's old. It's hard to say if I have a problem somewhere else, but I can say that with the old CDI, my neutral light never gave a problem. So that is the back of your CDI they give you, and these 2 grounds right here. One is a trigger and one is a constant ground. Apparently it doesn't matter on the way this bike is wired, because now it just starts up. So I'm a neutral, fires up, I'm gonna kill it, put it in gear. Okay, now keys on, no switch, neutral, fires up. I don't know. So I hate to leave it so open-ended, but that is what works for me. And I could not bear driving around with the neutral light on. That was bothering me worse than you even know. So if this video helps, give a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.